Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, that's what Run DMC said, man. That's what he said. What's up? Yo, what you pointing at, man?
The Cool Connection.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
The Cool Connection. TKC, everybody. TKC Unit TV. That's the Cool Connection. Do you know what the Cool Connection consists of?
What they consist of?
First and foremost, the bum of them all. The coolest legend there is. The Cool, the DJ, the Red Alert, okay? Now guess who y'all hear in the background?
Yo, man, it's just Big Rob. Yo, it's just Big Rob, man.
Behind the lens.
Big Rob, of course.
It's man. Big Rob, everybody.
Oh, man.
And guess what he say? Champagne what?
It costs money, man.
Yo, it always costs. You know why?
Because it gotta be the goddamn cologne, man.
If it must be the cologne and champagne costs, what more can you say?
You gotta have money.
Now check this out. Y'all haven't seen him in a while because he busy going to school, getting that education. That's why I said, I know it's education, but I said it my way. Education.
Yo, man, that's hood Ebonics, man.
Yeah. Hood Ebonics. Instead of education, education.
That's Harlem Ebonics, man.
Yeah, can't say no better than that. The Cool G Mims. Matter of fact, let me tell you about Cool G Mims. You know he got a new CD that's coming out.
Yeah.
It's coming out.
It's coming out.
But he got a couple things in the works and a couple things in the trailer right now. Matter of fact, he got that freestyle out.
What's that? Flow and Butter, man.
Yeah. Oh, man. Say it again.
It's called Flow and Butter, man.
Flow and Butter, right off of that Truffle Butter track, okay?
Oh, man.
Minaj step aside. The Cool G Mims just took over your track and took it to another level, all right?
Yo, man.
And he got other things in store, so STFM. Know what that mean? Stay tuned for more.
Oh, yeah, man.
So there you have, you got the coolest legend.
Yeah.
You got the Big Rob. You got the Cool G Mims. All together, that's TKC, the Cool Connection, okay?
TKC Unit TV.
Oh, man. A couple birthday shout-outs I got to give. First and foremost, to one of the younger members of the Native Tongue, my man Chi Ali.
Oh, man.
Chi Ali's birthday was this week, okay?
Oh, shout out to Chi Ali, man.
Let me see who else's birthday is around.
Yo, it's a Gemini life, man.
Yeah, here go these Geminis again.
Yo, man, it's our time of the year, man. Shout out to Jadakiss, B.
That's my dude right there, Jadakiss.
Yo, man.
Jadakiss, everybody. Yo, I love Jadakiss. Matter of fact, big up to Jadakiss and my man Fabulous. You know why? Because they've been doing it mean on a Friday with the freestyles. Oh, my God.
Yo, they been killing, B.
Yo, they've been on a mission with no luggage. I'm trying to tell you right now.
Yo, man, they been killing, man. New York City on fire, man.
And Jadakiss on the freestyle tip. Big up to my man Jadakiss on his birthday. And then there's another person that we always go respect him and adore him as he represents for NYC.
Who that, man?
On the basketball court.
Who?
He make things happen.
Who that?
Anthony Carmelo.
Ooh.
Mello!
Oh, man.
Happy birthday, my dude.
I thought it was Carmelo Anthony, man.
Yo,
you got the name backwards, man.
No, I say it my way.
Oh, man.
Anthony Carmelo.
Yo, man, he adores you, man.
Yeah, I love him because I saw him at that, what birthday party?
Alicia Keys, man.
Alicia Keys' birthday party. And you know what? I say it's not Carmelo Anthony. I'm going to say Anthony Carmelo. You know why? Because the A will come before the C.
Oh, that's how you feel.
That's how I feel right now.
He's best scorer in the league, man, but that's up for debate.
Carmelo Anthony, I got to change the name because, I got my own language.
Yo, man, from New York,
my own language, man.
Yo, y'all both from New York, man. Y'all do what y'all want.
New York! New York, Harlem. Okay? I represent the BX, okay? I started my career up there in the BX on behalf of the Almighty Universal Zoo Nation. But originally, Harlem.
Oh, man.
Harlem.
That's what's up, man.
New York.
That's what's up, man.
Flashback Friday.
Yo, man, let me get a dope flashback, man.
Flashback Friday. It's the coolest legend there is. The DJ, the Red Alert, about to give y'all Flashback Friday. Yo, first and foremost, you may see the regular, but then my girl take it to another level because she make it happen on the remix videos. You know what I'm talking about? Diamond Life Production, or I say Diamond voiceover. Either way, it's all about Diamond. She be taking the videos, flip it up, and take it to another level.
Yo,
so
shout out to Diamond, man.
This one.
Yo, shout out to Diamond, man.
Yo, we love Diamond.
Certified legend, man.
Oh, man, but she gonna flip this one after I talk about this one, right?
So what's the flashback about?
The flashback is about my man Luda.
Oh, man.
My man Luda.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Yo, big.
Yo, man, let me tell you something, my man Luda, man.
It's a dope artist, man.
Man, a lot of people don't understand, he was a lyricist. He's a lyricist.
Certified.
Yo, homeboy, yo, he spit well.
He get busy.
You know? Yo, the boy nice on the microphone. Okay?
He get busy.
I respect everybody else that do their thing, but something about that Luda, man. And guess what? He got a little taste of New York in him too now.
Oh, man.
Don't take a nap on him.
No.
I know he was raised up there at ATL, but he got a little bit of that New York flavor. Big up to everybody down there at ATL, right?
Yo, that's your neighbor, man.
No, that wasn't my neighbor. His manager is my neighbor.
Who his manager, man?
Manager Shaka Zulu.
Strong J the Shaka Zulu, man.
Shaka Zulu right along with his sister Alicia, and also the little guy. The little guy, that's his brother.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm talking about, right? You don't know what I'm talking about?
Oh, who?
He was the manager for Brand Nubian.
Yo, come on, man. Who don't know Big Jeff, man?
Big up to my man Jeff.
Those are legends, man.
Yo, man, you gotta understand, they got a big family, man, but they all go ahead and handle situations. Alicia, she was down with the X-Clan, all right? Ooh. My man Jeff, he represented for Brand Nubian. Shaka, he represented for Luda. And guess what? I'm going to represent for Luda right now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to talk about like from back in mid-90s.
Mid-90s?
Well, not mid-90s. I said a little further up.
Yeah, because Luda dropped in 2000, man.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking of.
Yo, man.
You know what I'm thinking of? Because when Luda and Shaka was doing the radio at ATL during the mid-90s.
Oh.
They was on the original Hot 97. Before it was Hot 107.9, it was a Hot 97 down there at ATL.
Ah.
That's right. And Luda and Shaka was the personalities. That's right. They was called Luda Chris Lover Lover.
Oh, yeah. That's right.
Chris Lover Lover. So here it is from mid-90s into 2000. That's when, you know, him and Shaka say, let's go and do a little business, you know, situation. I become the manager, you become the artist, and Luda start taking it off.
You've been killing ever since, man.
Let me tell you, I was down at ATL during the time that they were shooting this video.
What video was it, man?
Southern Hospitality.
Oh, that's 2001, B.
Yo, I don't care. 14 years, that's old school enough for me.
No, that's no. Listen.
I can go further back if you want. I can go 70s, but right now we're talking about 2001.
Oh, we talking about 01, man. Flashback, man.
01.
It's a
Flashback Fridays,
oh,
okay? Man. Southern Hospitality. Ludacris. So here it is. They found out I was in town. They told me to come to the video shoot. So, you know, the wife and I, we went over there, you know, I see what's going on. They say, we want you to get in this scene where, you know, he's getting ready to do his thing, he's spitting and, you know, his lyrics and everything, and he wants you to go in there, and that term that they use that they be doing all the time, what is that? Throw them bowls.
Oh, you was throwing your bowls in that video.
I threw them bowls, right? I threw them bowls so much, I elbowed them. That's right, oh, so, you know, he still was acting, you know, he still got to perform. He like, throw them bowls. Pick up to my man Luda, man. I didn't mean to do that, my brother, but you told me to throw them bowls, right? Pick up to my man, but check this out. At one point of the video, we had the dances. Now, big up to all the females that do all their thing down there. Or, you know, ATL is the home of the strip clubs.
Oh, man.
You know, they got all the strip clubs.
Oh,
right?
man.
Anybody that went down to ATL don't understand what I'm talking about. So I don't know if they hire some strippers or they got some girls to go ahead and dance, but this one particular girl, she had the crazy string bikini.
Oh, man.
The crazy, no, they got the crazy body already.
Oh, my God.
We keeping this PG. We keeping it PG.
Hey, yo, man, I wish I was down there right now.
Yo, my man. Here it is, she had the string bikini.
Whew.
So, you know, you got to be very cautious when you're shooting videos because it's going to be aired on regular network TV.
Yeah.
You know? Unless, you know, it was one of them late nights on BET back
oh,
in the day.
Man, what was that? Oh, man,
Uncut.
Uncut.
About that. We ain't going to talk about Uncut. We're going to talk about it another time, all right?
Oh, man, shout out to Nelly with that tip drill video.
You know what I'm saying? We take it to another level right now.
Man.
So here it is, that string bikini that this girl had on. So everybody decided, was it appropriate for her to be in the video with this string bikini? Took it upon between Shaka Zulu, Ludacris, and I to take a close look. And this thing was appropriate because it was so much in the middle. You seen the camel toe.
Yo, oh, man.
The camel toe was showing.
Oh, man.
Not totally, because you're going to see the whole thing. But in between the camel toe, so, you know, as it's in between, you know, you get a little puffy on the side.
Oh, man.
And he just kept on taking a look, saying, is it appropriate?
Yo.
Is it appropriate? What you say? I'm trying to find out myself. Flashback Fridays, everybody. The coolest legend, the coolest DJ, the regular. My man Big Rob, Cool G Mims. Yo, TKC Unit TV, okay? Flashback Friday. I'll tell you one thing.
What's that?
I don't know if it was appropriate.